Hello everyone. In this video we are going to see that how we can do the better meshing in this type of nozzle geometries, okay, through the option of phase split. Suppose I have this type of nozzle and I already taken the random dimensions, okay, so just ignore the dimensions. So I have a surface, okay, and geometry. Now we will split this phase, okay. So after splitting the phase we will get the different options to give a different, or we can say the better mesh, okay. So just right click on the XY plan and select the new sketch, okay. For a phase split we need to select the new sketch. After that go in the sketching and just draw two parallel lines, okay, and one at the throat, because the throat will be the affected region, because in the nozzle at the throat area maximum gradient going to take place, okay, because as we know at the throat the normal slope will occur. Now go in the constraint, okay, your line should be parallel. Now go in the dimensions and select the length and distance, press Ctrl and select two lines and maintain the distance, okay. So for reference I am taking 5, okay. Now take both the side 5 and 5, okay. Now you can remove this line, or if you not remove, that is also okay. Okay, now go in the modeling, go in the tools, use the phase split, and in the target phase select our whole phase, and in the geometry just select these lines like this and press the apply button, and after that press on the generate button. Now we can see here our phase is splitted in different parts, okay. So now we have many options to apply the different mesh operations, okay. Now right click on the mesh and press on the edit, okay. Okay, it will take time. Okay, now first we will see the default mesh, how we are getting. Click on the mesh and click on the generate button, okay. So this is our default mesh. We can say this is very non-uniform or unstructured mesh. This mesh is having a quadrilateral shape of mesh, okay. Now go in the method, we want a quadrilateral shape, okay, press apply, quadrilateral dominant, and in free phase mesh type select the all quad, okay. After that press on the generate button, okay. But some triangles are triangle type of shape is also there. Now we modified this mesh, okay. Now right click on the mesh, go in the insert and select the option of sizing, okay. So click on the sizing and select the edge selection from here and select all the vertical edges like this and press the apply. Now in the type just select the number of divisions and just give any number based on your system capability, okay. For if your system having a high configuration, you can go for the high number of divisions, okay. Suppose I'm for reference I am going for the 100. You can set behavior as hard, okay. Now press the generate button, okay. So still some warning is coming, okay. Now we will do the same operation for remaining edges, okay, like this edges. Select all the remaining edges like this, press on the apply button, okay. In the type select the number of divisions. Suppose I want a better mesh here, that's why I am applying the 200, okay. In the behavior you can set as hard behavior and press the generate button, okay. Still some warning are coming, okay. This mesh is not a structured mesh, okay. So to do the structured mesh we need to use the option of phase meshing, okay. So when you right click on the mesh, go in the insert and select the option of phase meshing. When you click on the phase meshing, they will ask for geometry, so select all the faces by pressing the control, or you can do separate separate for each faces. Okay, now press on the apply, and in the method you need to check that आपने जो method apply किया है, whichever of the method you applied, okay, you should have a same method here. Okay, you need to select the same method, quadrilateral shape. Okay, now go in the mesh again and press the generate button. Now you will get this structured mesh. Okay, so we can see here we are getting the well structured mesh here. Okay, these mesh lines are parallel to the geometries, we can see here. Okay, like this you can use this type of meshing for this type of geometry. So guys, if you like this video, so just share, subscribe and comment on this video. Thank you very much for watching this video.